Hello and welcome to another Edinburgh Watch Company review. My name is Jonathan, and on today's video we're going to be talking about the classic Rolex Datejust. You can find out more about this watch by visiting our website at edinburghwatchcompany.co.uk, and there you'll find some photographs, technical specification and pricing. But if there's anything else you'd like to know, then please just give me a call directly. So this particular watch we have here is a full set 2020 mint condition example of the classic Rolex Datejust. The size of this one is the 36mm. So that's a size traditionally was the gent size. Having said that, gents traditionally are now going for the 41mm, which means this watch is very much a unisex size watch, and we have lots of ladies wearing them as well as gentlemen. Now the Datejust is a model that has been out for many years and is very much the mainstay of the Rolex collection. This particular one we've got here is finished in stainless steel and 18 karat yellow gold with a very attractive champagne dial on it. There are lots of variables of this watch. You could have it with a smooth bezel, also known as the domed bezel or the fluted bezel. You can have the Jubilee bracelet or the oyster bracelet. So this, I think, is a nice balance of a sort of more sportier look with the domed and the oyster. Now papers on this are registered 2020, so that will have a 5-year Rolex international warranty on it as well. Now powering this watch is an automatic movement, and it's a chronometer, so that's a very accurate watch that will perform to within probably -4 to +6 seconds per day, but probably even better than that. It's also a watch that you can wear in the water as well, so it's waterproof to 100 meters, so it's definitely a watch for all occasions. So let's go and have a slightly closer look at it. So here we are, 36mm. It has the sapphire crystal on it here, 18 karat smooth, what they call the domed bezel going around here. The case is stainless steel, the 904L grade stainless steel, and you can see here on the side it's all polished as well, so very elegant. Same on this side of the watch there too, and you have the 18 karat crown that screws into the side of the case. The dial itself has a lovely contrast with the hour markers going around here, and with the index markers here, they're actually luminous as well, so making it easy to read at night time. You have the date there with the magnification on it then, very easy to read. And this has the Rolex, what they call the Rehort dial there, so you have the silver rim going around the inside of the dial there, and that has the serial number on it as well, so just very easy to cross-reference that with your card. Not too thick on the wrist either. It does house, of course, the automatic movement, but a very wearable watch. It's mounted on the oyster bracelet there, so that gives it that slightly sportier look, but it's a very comfortable bracelet and very easy to adjust by taking links in and out. You can see you have the stainless steel satinized finish going down the edges there, and then polished running through the middle. It then joins the deployant clasp there. You can see the Rolex logo here, and this just clips easily shut there. Now this style of clasp has been reintroduced even on the Jubilee bracelet as well recently, and the reason being for that is with the Jubilee bracelet you never really had the ability to get any adjustment of the bracelet. This features what we call the Easy Link bracelet, and what that allows you to do is if the watch is a little bit tight on your wrist, all you have to do is just gently pull that. This comes away from the clasp there, and it gives you an extra few millimeters on the wrist there, and just allows it hopefully just to be comfortable for you. When you're in a slightly cooler climate and it feels a little bit too big, then it very easily just clips underneath the wrist. But lovely, an absolutely lovely watch to wear. It really is. I think, I say, with these index markers contrasting against the champagne dial, it's timeless. It's an absolute classic. Now my wrist is quite a big wrist, it's 36mm, but again this watch fits me perfectly. Just lovely on the wrist. I think that will never change for fashion, and the colours, say, just work beautifully. So there we are, that's our Rolex Datejust. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video today. If you're watching on YouTube, then why not subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you'll be notified of all the latest videos coming along. Perhaps you're on Instagram or Facebook, why not check us out there as well, as we tend to put all our latest watches there so you can get a first glance of them. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.